Hi guys, it's Lucky Charms, and today I'm going to show you guys how I got into this cute little belly dancer fantasy. It was very fast, so most of it is going to be voiceover. So enjoy, like and subscribe. Literally go somewhere. I still have like wet foundation. Okay, that goes on my neck.
You want me to get from Walmart for snacks?
Oranos?
Are you okay to eat that?
Yeah. Yeah, that's everyone knows that Arizona iced tea has pee in it. Probably know that Arizona iced tea has pee in it. I still drink it. I think it adds flavor. Controversy? You mean conspiracy? Never mind. Arizona iced tea doesn't have piss in it. Never mind. No, it has pee in it. Arizona iced tea does have pee in it. I will put that out there.
So, why do you think it's 99 cents?
Called diluting.
You don't need your bra, right?
Oh yeah. What? No. I would like a corset, please. I need my bra and I'd like a corset, please. Can I have one? A nude one? I mean, I birthed 3 children. What do you expect? She needs to be drowned in a river. That's why it's so perfect. Jeff Bezos is also like, I don't like him because he looks like that, but you have to wear like wigs a bunch of times for them to like actually look good. That's very soft of you. They're just like 2 completely different eyes, but it's fine. I don't use an eye pencil. I use liquid liner. Liquid liner. Liquid liner that burns. Why are they talking about Issa Rae? They were like, attack him. Yeah, this liner burns. It's from Elf Cosmetics. Like, I really can't endorse that at the moment. Because my eyes already kind of hurt, so it's like, ugh. Should I call this a belly dancer look? Or like, what do I... I'm just going to call this quick dry, because I think I just touched my eyeball. I don't think. I pretty much know I touched my eyeball. Okay, I went crazy on the lips today. Well, I hope you guys liked the video. Let me know in the comments if you're okay with this kind of style video or if you want this in the future. Like and subscribe.